What are some good sleep diffuser blends without lavender essential oil? In this video, I'm going to be covering 5 great diffuser blends for sleep without lavender. Coming up. Hey, what's up? Melinda here as the oil coach, bringing you tips, tricks, and ideas for using your essential oils so you can live healthier, happier lives. Be sure to stick around until the end of this video because I'm also going to be sharing an incredible roller bottle recipe for sleep that also doesn't include lavender. Now let's jump into the video. So our first sleep diffuser blend is a blend called Good Nights. For this one, you're going to be putting 2 drops of petitgrain, 2 drops of juniper berry, 2 drops of cedarwood, and 2 drops of vetiver essential oils in your diffuser. Our second diffuser blend for sleep is a blend called Sweet Sleep. For this one, you're going to be putting 4 drops of orange, 4 drops of ylang ylang, and 2 drops of cardamom in your diffuser. Now I have 3 more great recipes to share with you, but it's very important to point out that the quality of the essential oil that you're using is very important. We are obviously going to be breathing in these essential oils into our lungs, so we want to make sure that we are using only the purest, best quality essential oil that we have available to us. I've done a lot of research on the purity of oils, and I really encourage you to research it as well. And if you'd like to check out the oils that I personally use, or if you'd like to check out my masterclass where I cover the purity of oils as well as the top 10 recommended oils, then check out the link in the description below. Okay, for our third diffuser blend for sleep called Soft and Sleepy, you're going to be putting 2 drops of bergamot, 1 drop of cedarwood, 1 drop of marjoram, 1 drop of Roman chamomile, and 1 drop of vetiver essential oils in your diffuser. Our fourth diffuser blend is called Out for the Count Sleep Blend. For this one, you're going to be putting 2 drops of cedarwood, 2 drops of copaiba, and 2 drops of vetiver essential oils in your diffuser. Our fifth and final sleep diffuser blend for this video is called Sleep in the Forest, and it is 2 drops of bergamot, 2 drops of cedarwood, 2 drops of Siberian fir, and 1 drop of black spruce essential oils in your diffuser. Now I've linked up all of these oils below this video, so if you'd like to check them out, feel free to do so. And like I mentioned, I also have an incredible roller bottle recipe to share with you. But if you are someone that likes to show off your love for essential oils, then check out the link below to my Etsy shop where I have an ever-growing selection of oily t-shirts and hoodies and other items that you can get for yourself or as a gift for your oily friends. Now on to our roller bottle recipe. This recipe is a roller bottle remedy for sleep, and for this recipe we're going to be using cedarwood, patchouli, grounding blend, vetiver, and Roman chamomile essential oils. I've linked up each of these below this video if you'd like to check them out. And then of course we're going to be needing fractionated coconut oil and a 10 milliliter roller bottle. We're going to be adding 3 drops of each of these oils to our 10 milliliter roller bottle. And then we're going to be filling the rest of the way up with the fractionated coconut oil. And then we can use it on the bottom of our feet and on the back of our neck before bed. And now if you would like the free ebook of some other incredible recipes for sleep, like bath recipes, a stop snoring blend, and more, then check out the link in the description below. Now click or tap the screen here to check out my video where I share some great diffuser blends for congestion, or click or tap the screen here to check out another one of my videos. And I'll see you in the next video.